Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. You're doing fine. Learning still on my personal development, personal growth. Still rising my vibration. What I learned is to be free and to be happy. We need, I'll speak for myself. I learned how to choose people in my life and how to leave some people out of my life to really become free and really become happy. That's what I want to share with you tonight. I haven't done videos for a while, focusing on myself, focusing on my personal growth. So that's what I want to share. That's what I found out for myself. Choosing the people around me and choosing the people that I don't want around me change everything to be happy and to be free. So if I could share something with you guys tonight, that's that. Not easy to do. Not easy to choose to not have some people in your life and have some people in your life, but it's really worth it, because that's how, I think that's how we become happy and free. Because when we keep people around ourselves, around us, that are very negative or very toxic, it drains us down and takes energy. And I don't think in the long run we could be happy. So that's a big lesson learned. I've been doing this for 4 or 5 years, choosing carefully who I let in my life, who I decide that it's time to go for them. So hope you're well. I'll see you soon.